Like traditional LED lights, the Radius Mini has a unique 120-degree curved design, giving you an even 180-degree beam angle of powerful diffused light, the broadest single light coverage in the industry. A broader beam angle means more light, and the Radius Mini doesn't disappoint. Cover more space than a traditional light when shooting handheld or lighting a set or location. The Radius Mini is dimmable from 10 to 100% and adjustable from 5600K daylight to 3200K tungsten. Just turn the dials on the rear of the light to your desired settings. The Radius Mini has a solid aluminum frame for durability and added heat dissipation. The light includes a 1/4-20 screw hole and an adjustable ball head. Mounted on your medium to large form factor camera for fast handheld shooting, on a light stand, or in spaces where a larger light just won't fit. Radius Mini lights are ready to go right out of the box. No extra diffusion or accessories needed, and their built-in Factor Soft technology creates beautiful and powerful single-source light with no hotspots and a single soft shadow. They're rated at a CRI of 96 and are flicker-free, making them a great option for any shooting scenario, including slow-motion video. Lighting a studio or product shoot is easy with Factor Radius Mini. The 180-degree coverage means you'll need fewer lights to cover your scene, and the Radius's soft, diffused light means you won't need to add any extra light modifiers. The Radius Mini is also a perfect on-location light for rapid-fire setups. Rather than setting up multiple lights for coverage, just use one Radius Mini and get the equivalent coverage of 2 to 3 lights in a single scene. Radius Mini lights draw a maximum of 18 watts, so you can run them on any household electrical circuit with the included AC power cord. They also feature an integrated Sony NPF-style battery port. Power your Radius on location with the included Sony NPF-style battery. The Radius Mini includes a cloth carrying case with a strap, an adjustable ball head, an NPF-style battery and battery charger, and an AC.
The LumiPad 11 and 25 actually give you an edge-lit fixture. Now, what is an edge-lit fixture? An edge-lit fixture gives the ability of LEDs around the outer edge, illuminating the plastic that's inside and casting a very, very soft light. So even though the LumiPad is a soft light fixture, it is very bright for what you have. Whether you're using the 11 or the 25, this light will give you what you're looking for with that soft wrapping light. So the LumiPads come in two different sizes. There's an 11 and a 25. The 11 is a 6.5 inch and the 25 is a 13 inch. Besides being really soft, is that you have an adjustable color temperature. You can go from 3200 degrees Kelvin up to 5600 degrees Kelvin and everything in between. But then you can also have a high CRI on these lights. Again, Nanlite uses all lights that are 95 plus CRI, but typically something like this would be about a 96, 97. And then your TLCI would be in the 96, 97 range as well. So on the back of the fixture itself, you have a very simple on-off switch that allows you to turn the light on, as well as the mounting. Now for the mounting on the small guy, you have a cold shoe mount that will actually fit on top of a camera, or you have a quarter 20 receiver on the bottom of that that allows you to be able to screw it down to a stand if you want to, or any type of quarter 20 mount. On the larger fixture, you actually can take any stand that you have, and then you can use that standard 5/8 pin to be able to put it wherever you need the light. So the LumiPad can be used in a lot of situations. You can use it for interviews, you can do it as a key light, a fill light, or a backlight. You can put the small one on camera and have that be your front-facing light for a nice flat soft light. You can also use it as a background light if you want to light something specific or just bring up the ambient. So the LumiPad can be used either with AC power or the L series battery, which is the most common on the market. This makes this a very versatile light. Thanks for watching.